Welcome back to Bags on the Go. Top of the morning, day 2, Sunday. Got the door open because I'm working hard and the breeze feels good. So, what I got for today and plan is to already, as you see it water down there. I already steam wash the whole bottom frame area right here in the wheel well. And that's it. Now, I can throw all these parts on here and call it a day, but I ain't gonna do that. I'd rather it look clean when it got the new parts. And I'm trying to tarp off as much of stuff. I don't want to get overspray, even though I'm gonna have the fans running to pull out that paint. I still want to be able to not get it on my car, lay on my car too much. So we're gonna turn the fans on so we can drag it out, push it out the building. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna get us some paint and hit that frame real good. I was like, man, I really don't want to create too much of a dust ball, so I ain't even gonna grind nothing down. It is what it is. You ain't gonna see none of that. As long as that paint is up in there real good, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna tape off my brake lines because I gotta have them brake lines. That was extra. That was extra. So we gotta have them looking good at its best, at its finest. And yeah, that's it, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and throw this thing through the paint stage, and when I turn it back on, y'all gonna see it. This is gonna be A1. Let's get it. right, so the QA1 is installed. That was a big chunk of my day. On this side, the bottom, both took me a minute to get it in, but you know, just gotta give it some time, keep trying. So that part is completed. All right, so this is where we're gonna leave off in this video. Next is install the brake, install the coilovers. But Monday morning, I gotta call and check on the warranty for this one. And then we can put this together. Other than that, it's been a good weekend. Headers is wrapped. While on the motor, that was not easy to do, but I made it happen. It's still a little piece on the back right here that I still want to add some to, but I'm gonna see how this works. Pretty much got it now. What to do is just, you know, loopity-loop, and then I got the black zip ties so you don't see a chrome zip tie in the middle of it where I got a couple pieces. So that worked out. Next, during the week also, I'm gonna change the linkage. The linkage is right there, this piece here. I'm gonna change that linkage. I got the new one in. I'm gonna just do one thing at a time so I don't burn myself out and I don't mess up. So what I'm gonna do is, since I like how I got this one rigged up, I did pretty good on sizing this one up. I'm gonna take this one off, make my bends with tape and use that as a guide. And then I'm gonna buy me another one, and then I'm gonna always have one just for the guide for these cars. So that's gonna be pretty cool. If you wanna keep your column shift, I'll have one. All I gotta do is just bend it up, boop, boop, boop. Bend it up for you, bend it up for me, however it works. That's a good weekend right there. That's a good weekend. Wow. So the Malibu finally got some QA1 front control arms, upper and lower. Whew. Just took some time. I had to drive it all over the world. But I knew, I said, yeah, no, this ain't gonna be it. One day, someday, I'm gonna get on that front end and change it. I think I lift it up a little bit. If they give me a new one, this still is the size that I'm gonna raise the front end up just a little bit. You're gonna be able to see the top of the tire just a little bit. We've been sitting low. We've been sitting low for a while. It ain't gonna hurt just to raise her nose up in there just a little bit, and that's all. Other than that, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. I've been putting this work in all weekend, and this is why I do it. This is why I do it. It looks so good. Everything is just looking so good, and yes, the wheel is on the car. You'll see that in the next video. So give me a minute, give me some time on the Caballero update. You'll see what's up on the rims. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all click this video, like it. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like the video. This bag's on the go. Peace.